Assalamualaikum. We are from HS2456C. Welcome to our video explanation of Occupation-Based Intervention (OBI). First of all, let me explain to you what is OBI. OBI is activities that support performance in the following areas of occupation. In another word, OBI uses the client's occupation as their intervention to achieve the goals.
OBI use the concept of occupations as a means and an end. OBI use meaningful activities and occupation as the intervention and goal. It also provide aids and adaptation. The clients are encouraged to use their affected limb to avoid learn non-use syndrome. The intervention are graded according to time, level of difficulty, number of repetitions, distance, and resistance. The material and resources available in the client's home are used as their therapeutic tools. Education and information to the clients and all people involved in the rehabilitation process are important. So, the clients and the caregivers would feel confident and more receptive towards OBI.
One morning at the kitchen, a client suddenly fell off on the floor due to the slippery floor.
The main purpose of OBI is to achieve goals related to performance. This may include using occupation to establish or remediate client skills and body functions, to promote health or to prevent dysfunction. For this intervention, we focus on the upper limb dysfunction such as stiffness and weakness of the upper limb. So, the purpose of it is to increase the range of motion in the upper limb, to increase strength in the upper limb, and for the long-term goal is to enable client for occupation.
Next, we're moving on to the procedure of the intervention. The materials that are needed in order to complete this intervention are evaporated milk cans and also condensed milk cans. First, before we start the intervention, we need to demonstrate the activity before asking the client to perform. And please remind the client to perform this activity with their affected hand. Firstly, we need to open the kitchen cabinet door. Next, start the activity with the lightest can, which is the empty can. Then, arrange the cans on the above-shoulder kitchen cabinet. Repeat the same step by using different weight of cans, which is evaporated milk cans followed by condensed milk cans.
So, why do OT use occupation-based intervention home management activities to improve range of motion? A systematic review study stated that about 66 different ADL tasks were required to the use of shoulder and elbow joints angle or range of motion in order to enable the individual to perform ADL, especially full ROM in the elbow but less significant in the shoulder. And the use of occupation as a mean also encourage more rapid recovery and better outcomes compared to the therapeutic exercise alone, as it improves ROM of the injured extremity. This is because the individuals are encouraged to use the injured hand as much as possible during performing the task.
Thank you. That's all from our group.